Kev G, weather overview. In the short term, we have some active weather across the region. We have numerous flood advisories and flood warnings that are currently in effect. This is Intellicast.com showing you the radar right now. And it's going to be like this off and on for the next couple of hours until the sun goes down and we lose the instability that we have right now due to the high heat and humidity, well, the high humidity and this frontal boundary that's stationed over the region. So things will dry out eventually. Be careful on the roads tonight if you're out and about, especially for the next couple of hours, and then things will dry out. We'll clear the skies for tonight, and then we'll set ourselves up for the first heat wave of the summer across much of the tri-state area. I think the only places that will be spared heat wave, in other words, 3 days or more of 90-degree plus, will be areas that are closest to the coast, not surprisingly. So we go from Intellicast over to NOAA. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. And here's the tail of the tape. I think the hottest days with the combination of heat and humidity are going to be Sunday into Monday because we start off with the hot temperatures, but the humidity values are low for Friday and Saturday, but they progressively get hot, more oppressive as we go through the weekend. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday, the temperatures come down a little bit, but not by a whole heck of a lot. I think that basically beyond Monday, I think middle and upper 80s will be a good bet every single day for the week of the 4th of July, right through next weekend, with very little rain chances to speak of. Speaking of rain chances, once we get through tonight, this is Tropical Tidbits. I think once we get through tonight, we're really not going to see much in the way of rainfall, especially this weekend. The atmosphere is going to be stable enough where even though the humidity levels will be high, especially late in the weekend, we're not going to have all the ingredients necessary for showers and thunderstorms. So hazy, hot, and humid is the story for the weekend. And then as we go through time, there'll be a frontal boundary that'll sag to the south by Tuesday, and that will start the process of not only cooling the air just a little bit, but it'll offer the opportunities for showers and thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon and evening hours when the heat is at its most and when the humidity is working in concert with this frontal boundary that's going to be near the region for Tuesday into Wednesday. So I think the 4th of July is pretty much a safe bet in terms of weather. You might get garden variety showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, but nothing as far as a washout is concerned. I'll definitely update that as we get closer, but needless to say, I think it's a fairly tranquil period of weather. And that's due to the fact that when we look at the upper air pattern, the jet stream is way to the north. So if we look by July 3rd, which is next Tuesday, we can see that the jet stream is way to the north. We have this ridge in position. It is in position to basically keep our weather high and dry, except for those garden variety showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday and Wednesday next week. But other than that, it's a pretty tranquil pattern. It's by very, very late in the period. As we get late into next weekend, we're talking around the 8th or the 9th of July now, where the jet stream starts to reconfigure itself, and we may get opportunities for cooler weather and more unsettled weather as we go into the middle of July, but that's a long ways off. Until then, the main story of our weather is going to be increasing heat and humidity through the weekend, and then a leveling off of sorts as we get through Tuesday and Wednesday with some garden variety showers and thunderstorms midweek, and then we just return to at or slightly above normal temperatures, with temperatures solidly in the 80s for the rest of the forecast period.